Let's fill out the Oregon ATV bill of sale together, and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the ATV and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale, then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyers, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the ATV, the make and model, and the year. Then the VIN. Type the VIN exactly as it appears on the title or the ATV. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Now the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. When selling an ATV in this state, here is what you need to know. First, you will need the title, and the VIN on that title must match the VIN on the vehicle itself. Make sure those numbers line up before anything else. Next, you will need to provide an original odometer disclosure, so have that ready to go as part of your paperwork. For the bill of sale, you can either sign and date the back of the title or use a separate bill of sale document. Either way, both you and the buyer must sign it, so do not skip that step. You will also need a certification of liens, which confirms the lien holder situation on the vehicle. If there were previous owners before you, gather up any bills of sale from those prior owners as well. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.